Hello, dear students, and welcome to a new English episode. And today's selection is called Saint Mathew Island. The Mystery of Saint Mathew Island. What's the genre of this selection? It's expository text. It explains a person, a thing, or an idea. Okay. We have a question here. Of course, as you see here from the photograph or the picture you have in your book, we are talking about an environment which is a frozen one and the reindeer animal. We'll go into a question which is, what unexpected effects can humans have on nature? Is the human beings really have a big effect on nature? Yes, they have a big effect on nature. They can cause animals to die and sometimes to be injured when they go hunting for some animals. Also, they can cause them to move to other homes where they have never gone through or to before. Okay. Also, they can affect the young to lose their own parents. Okay. The vocabulary we have here for this selection, bleached means whitened by exposing to sunlight or chemicals. Carcasses, the bodies of dead animals. Decay, the process of rotting. Parasites, living things that live on or in other living things and feed off of them. Scrawny, having little flesh, skinny. Starvation, suffering from extreme hunger. Suspicions, beliefs, feelings, or thoughts. Tundra, a vast treeless plain in Arctic regions. Okay, when have the animals died? So before the summer of 1964, so the animals died sometimes between 1963 and 1964. How did the tiny bones he found? Okay, he here refers to Klein, okay, the main character here in our story. So he found help him determine the date of what? The death of the animals. So the tiny bones showed that the reindeer died in late winter. What did David Klein trying to figure out? Of course, he tried to figure out the date of the reindeer die off. How did Klein know that human predators had not killed the reindeer? He knew that there were few human visitors to the island. What caused the decrease in population on Saint Mathew Island? It's starvation and weather. What was one main effect on the environment from having 6,000 reindeer living on a small island, overgrazing for food resources? How did David Klein know that the reindeer died because of starvation? There was no fat in the bones. What effect do predators, parasites, and diseases have on animals' herd? They keep animals' herd from growing. Sorry for this. What is the most likely reason the author wrote this selection? Of course, he wrote it to inform and teach. And what's the main idea of the selection? The main idea is that the environment is important. Life, of course, for the animals and for all of us. Summarize what happened to the reindeer herd on Saint Mathew Island. So what happened exactly here, that with no disease or predators, the reindeer herd grew quickly. Soon there were too many reindeer. They ate or trampled all the food. With no food, they starved to death. Wish you read the selection carefully. After you read it, move again to the video and try to practice the questions and answers and the vocabulary. Wish you all the best. See you. Goodbye.